Yeah, what do we so coconut?
We have coconut, we have the rice powder, we have the garlic leaf. Bông bên kia khác.
And put it in there and mix it all up, and then I eat the peanuts. It's so good. It's really good.
Yes. Then pot or then put some rice. So this is how we do. We do half.
Hai ly của bố không?
Và cái gì tiếp?
Hai ly baru lintik, lintik teh. Lektem.
Pinto, lektem.
Nah, tiga.
Yeah, it's some laptop. And some traditional Khmer band.
Nó mình ăn là
Playing games and then sharing stories. So this is what I want to hear. Everything in here. So here we have like a cooking snack experience. First traditional food. First when I was young, my grandparents was eating tea. The tea is from the garden. It's from behind the house. We throw some
The coffee that they have, so it's very specific because they put the condensed milk in it. And so you can go everywhere and you get the coffee with the condensed milk. And this in Cambodia, is there some sort of traditional
yeah, like we all have here and it's really
Đặt một tay trên trời.
it's really good to hear.
Nói chơi đi.
This is how I need some little coffee here. From the garden. And the longest one is tea. Coffee is just now, but now we also have Khmer coffee that they roasting by themselves by traditional way. Like you see the pan like this and you roasting like this, so rolls around and then it get
Cho mình nè